Guys, good morning or good afternoon and happy Easter, everyone. From my house to yours. Michael, say good morning to everyone or good afternoon. I'm sorry, it's 1:27.
Hi, everyone.
But the day has gone by so fast, you know. So anyway, guys, I wanted to make a ham, a glazed ham with you guys. I haven't made one in a long time because I couldn't eat any of that stuff. But now that I can eat all that, I wasn't even gonna make a video. And then at the last minute, I told, hey, Michael, let's just make a video and show people what we're doing. So here we go. I got me this delicious glazed ham. So these glazed ham, this one was 5 pounds, 0.60, right? Like 5.5 pounds, right? So it comes like $4 and what? Yeah, $4.99 like a pound. So almost like $27 and something. So that's good. But it came with the spices. With the spices is nothing but brown sugar, and then it's kind of like the cinnamon and nutmeg, like all that, cloves. They put all those sweet spices together and dust, and they make a thing that was, here it is. So later on, we're gonna take this and some honey that it came with the ham. We're gonna mix it together. We're gonna put it here because we're gonna use that to put it on the ham. So the ham is fully cooked already. So all you gotta do, guys, is warm it up. Now it says to warm it up, I think it says there for every like 13 to 15 minutes per pound. So I said that we had how many pounds? It says here, Mike?
5.5.
5.5 pounds times, let's say we want to do 15 minutes. 5 pounds times 15.
Like an hour and 20 minutes.
So we got to put the oven for an hour and 20 minutes. After I put this in, I'm going to like take this out, cut this out, okay? And we're going to put it in this tray. And we're going to put it for an hour and what you said, Michael?
20 minutes.
An hour? Sorry, Mike. Michael said an hour and 20 minutes, Mom. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to put it for an hour and 20 minutes, you know, to warm up on 225. Okay, guys, so what you do that, and then you put one little, because all we're going to do, guys, is warm it up. So we're going to put one little tiny bit of water, very little, guys, look, just like this, see? That's all we need. That's going to warm up with it, but before we put it in the oven, we are going to wrap that up really good in foil paper. And we're going to leave that, you said, Michael, for an hour and what?
20 minutes.
An hour and 20 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in for half that time. I will be taking it out, and I just to look at it.
And rotate.
Exactly. And then when the time is up, right before it's up, we're going to come back, and we're going to do this together, okay? Like the whole thing, the thing that we're going to put on the sweet stuff, we're going to put on our delicious spiral ham, fully baked, and all you gotta do is heat it up. I'm gonna tell you, when this comes out, it's gonna be delicious, guys. I mean, I haven't had this in like so long, but I love me some ham. I'm also gonna make some baked beans. I'm gonna make a little bit of mac and cheese.
Oh, yeah.
And let me see what else. Oh, I baked some cookies this morning. I made some Nickerdoodle cookies. The kids, they've been eating, my husband, and you know, I ate some too, you know, so hey, guilty here. But anyway, guys, don't drink and drive. You know what to do. It's a day of harmony, and like rethinking everything that we do, trying to, like, you know, doing things the right way. So with that, I'm gonna let you guys go, and we'll be back in what time, Michael, I said?
1 hour and 20 minutes.
Yeah, so we're gonna be, tell me the time, because I'm kind of like blind. You blinded me with
80 minutes.
Michael blinded me with okay. And what is 80 minutes? Like
1 hour and 20 minutes.
1 hour and 20. Come on, 20. There you go. So, okay, so here we go. So, I'll see you in 1 hour and 20 minutes, guys. And we'll be back before then, like 10 minutes before, so we can do the glaze together, okay? Thanks for watching. So we're back, and it's been like 40 minutes. So we have 29 minutes there. So what I'm going to do now, and it's been on 350, like I said, because all we had to do was heat it up. So while this was baking and heating up, it does, right? I went and heated up the honey. I mix it with the seasonings, the sweet seasonings, and there it is. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take, okay, it's already sliced and everything. All we're gonna do is, you see, Michael?
Oh yeah.
That's water from the ham itself. Right now what we're gonna do, excuse me for a second, that water, we're gonna put it in here. Okay. I know, it's been an egg, but here we are. And then we're gonna put, here we go, hold on a second. I don't wanna get burned. I know, here we
Be
go.
careful, Mama.
I got it. Got this. Okay, dogs, get out of the way. I'm just trying to take the water that is in the ham that came out of it, because you know the ham is fully cooked, and this is just like the salt. You know what I'm saying? The water with, and I'm just gonna do this because I want to take all this out. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna take this knife over here. So I want you guys to see how it's already sliced, see? And everything. See? So this is what you do. So what I'm gonna do is, I wanna like slice it all, guys, to the bottom. And I'm gonna put the glaze that I have here, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for the remainder of the time that it needs to be in there. Oh, sorry, Mike. And as you can see, they come pre-sliced. All I gotta do is just go follow the blade on the knife and just keep on, you know what I'm saying, just slicing, you know, or this beautiful spiral ham that God allow us to get on this harmonious day, right? Easter. So I hope all them little kiddos got all their stuff that they like, right, Mike?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. Oh, that looks so good. It makes me want to take like the whole tray, people for real, and hide in the closet and just have ham for like 2-3 days. Just eat ham and baked beans, and you know, I made some devil eggs. I only make like 5 or 6 eggs. So I asked everybody who wants devil eggs, who wants devil eggs. So Michael, my son, you know, he's always on a diet. And he's like, oh, I don't want no devil eggs because we have this. And okay, so guess who's the first one that said he wants double eggs as soon as we make them? Yep, Michael, that's right, guys. Just like I said. So bear with me, we're almost done with this. I hope everybody is having a wonderful time today along their husbands, wives, kids, mom, dad, brother, sister, cousins, friends, you know. I mean, whoever you want to, like, you know, you feel the most comfortable to. It's a time of reflection, and try to like start all over and forget about everything else, you know. Summer's coming, and we're celebrating this beautiful day today with everybody. Oh, okay, and here we go. So I got it all sliced, as you can see. Now this is my glaze, guys, okay, that it came. It was honey and those sweet spices, remember? Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, guys, as you can see that? I'm gonna put it all in there. So now I'm gonna put that foil paper back in, and then when we come back, we'll be eating ham. And when we come back, I'll be showing you guys my table before I call all my family to come eat dinner. And I'll be telling you guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow us. And I'll also be telling you guys not to drink and drive. And I've been telling you guys to have a wonderful day and with friends and family, and try to eat whatever you can. And hey, tomorrow's another day. You know, tomorrow you can go to the gym or go for that walk, power walk, and you know, try to burn all that you have gained for this beautiful day. So here we are. I'm gonna put it in there, and when we come back, I'll be closing with all my food on the table there. So thanks for watching, and I love you all. And again, please, 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 don't drink and drive. Let's just all get along. Love you all. Thanks for watching, guys. So from my family to you, happy Easter. This is my delicious ham, and as you can see, this is how it's gonna be. Hey, all that brought like that is gonna be delicious. I got me some turkey, and I got gravy, and I also got baked beans. Just show everything. And this is my delicious is green peas and rice with coconut milk and some salad. And from me to you and everybody in my family, happy Easter. Don't drink and drive. Love you all. Take care of each other. And I'll see you tomorrow with leftovers in another episode from Cindy's Kitchen. from my family to yours. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you all.